Today my dad will be sharing his recipe for beef and mixed vegetable soup. 牛展羅宋湯. For the ingredients we have beef, carrot, celery, potato, ginger, honey dates, and shallots. Cut up the vegetables, and for the potatoes, soak them in the water until use. Add 8 bowls of water to the pot and bring to a boil. Then add the beef and add the vegetables. Then bring to a boil and set to low heat and cook for 1.5 hours. Once the soup is done cooking, add half a teaspoon of salt. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give us a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.